What's going on, everyone? Today's the 3rd of January, 2024. We're going to talk about Apple real quick because the dynamics has shifted in favor of the sellers. I want to tell you why I think that and what to expect going forward. All right, so let's talk about it because I did this price prediction in Apple on the 28th of December, looking for the price to continue to be bullish and continue to trend higher. And so far, that definitely did not play out. In fact, to begin 2024, the market in Apple concluded the trading day down 3.58%. What a way to start 2024. Now, I think the media try to pick up and say, well, because, one of these Wall Street analysts lowered their ratings for Apple, which caused the market to go down 3.5%. That's not the reason. You guys can already see that the high in Apple was on the 14th of December, and the price has been trending down anyway. Okay, so the market is strictly only about supply and demand. It's not about what someone lowers their ratings of a particular stock as a buy or a sell. That's asinine. That's ridiculous. The market doesn't move off of that. There's too many market participants to affect price and think that the news is because one particular Wall Street firm lowered their outlook, their ratings. Are you serious? Let's not fall into those traps. Let's continue to look at the charts for what it has to say, and that is how we're able to stay ahead of the competition. So I need to give rid of this price prediction. Yeah, the buyers didn't show up. They didn't pop through at this buy zone around $191. So let's go ahead and get rid of this price prediction. It didn't play out right. Getting out on the close of yesterday, that's 4.38% down. All right, so let's go ahead and clean up this chart into the market in Apple, and we're going to fix this sell zone right here. Because that's the sell zone. We're going to look at Apple on the 2-day chart. Here it is. We have a couple of hours left, 9 hours and 7 minutes before this current 2-day price bar ends. I really wanted to show you this though, and that is the market in Apple trading below this line. Okay, 188. We need to see price come back up above that line as soon as possible in order for us to say, yeah, we're maintaining momentum. The market in Apple is still pretty bullish. We need to see that happen. That gap that we just saw into the market in Apple is very, very important to realize and say that something has shifted. Here it is on the 3-day chart in Apple. Apple on the 5. Okay. Apple on the weekly chart, 2 weeks, 3, 5. So really, we really just need to see how low the price is going to go before we see another market move higher. Okay, here it is on 330-minute chart. It would have been great for us to see the price hold this buy zone right here. This was a buy zone back in beginning of December, and now it's going to act as a sell zone. Okay, that was a buy zone right here. Price ran up in Apple, but we fell through it on this 330-minute bar, and it continues to fall through that particular area now. So this is a sell zone now. So any prospects of us seeing price in Apple go higher, it will have to break above this sell zone now. So let's change the color. Okay, so we got that delineated. Now the next thing is trying to figure out where could the buyers be in Apple now. Like I told you, this is all about supply and demand and what people perceive as valuable to where they're willing to come in and purchase, and what they perceive as non-valuable. Okay, that could be a buy zone there to where the market will hold support. And here's one here. So these are going to be the targets that we're going to look forward to the market buyers to try to approach the market to begin buying Apple because they think the price is cheap at these levels. All right. So we got the area fixated on where we suspect the sellers and the buyers are. So now let's do this. Okay, these are our targets First buy zone is a target, 2.25% there on the low. Here's our second one, 4.21%, $177.87 there. We're just going to keep it there for the moment. Okay, the sooner that we do find the buyers, the better that price will continue to maintain the strength that it had beginning November to continue in January, maybe even go into February. But the longer that we don't see the buyers hit the market in Apple, then we need to anticipate the price going a lot lower. Okay, so I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts about what do you suspect Apple's about to do here going forward, and we'll see which one is right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.